Rode 120 miles home.
Hey, Dana, welcome to my vlog. Well, here's the next step in creating my floor for my lift table. I'm going to move it over here, get it out of the garage. So I've leveled the inside here with gravel, and I bought some 1/2-inch plate. And this was 8 feet by 4 feet. And I had them cut it down, so at least it's somewhat maneuverable. So this is what I'm doing. That stuff's got to be pretty heavy. Hey, Dana, welcome to my vlog. Well, this is the day the scissor lift here is going to get its new home, and then I'll be able to lift all my stuff up much higher because I'll have another foot of play besides the door opener. So it's going in over here. I got the steel plates under here, which you saw in a video prior to that, all leveled out. Got all my tire machines, and it'll be able to go in here. You can see with that lift, I'll almost be able to lift the Mustang its whole height in here, which is going to be fantastic. I got concrete coming on the 16th. We're going to get this done, and then I can move on to ordering the 4-poster, get that in, and then I'll be able to use this. I'll finally be able to do what I want to do with vehicles. The little catch right now is I'm going to be laid up for about 2 to 3 weeks because I'm getting ready to have prostate removal surgery on the 8th. And this is now September. Okay, so the trick behind this is going to be, I've got to get the moto adapter off of here, which I built. And then this has the rollers on that end, and you can lift this up to roll it out. There's your pump unit. So it's going to be a matter of dragging it out, dragging it down the driveway here, and then backing it in onto the steel plates. Now, that's not gonna be a problem dragging it down here. It's just gonna be a matter of getting it back in here is gonna be the issue, I think. I'm not sure. I'm gonna use the plywood here once I get down here, so I can get those wheels on it, and then get it so I can guide it right back in here. So I don't see any reason why it's not going to roll properly. I may have to use the winch to pull it in. I'm going to pull it around with the little tractor here. Hopefully that's gonna work. So first thing I got to do is I got to get my moto adapter off of here. I figured the easiest way to do it, instead of dragging it across first thing, go ahead and put it on the trailer again. That one let go, but this one didn't. Get this out of here. A little bit of weight on the trailer now, because it thing probably weighs half a ton. That one is. Alright. Oh, shoot. Screw that. I think before I put it in location, I'm going to go ahead and get the sandblaster out and blast it. Get it all nice and cleaned up. And I can paint it in there. So now, I can pull it out. And I can back that puppy straight in. Now, corner it. So let's do that. I'll put you on pause.